Dennis here, back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1978 to 87 El Camino, 1978 to 83 Malibu, and 1981 to 88 Monte Carlo hoods by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Stamped from heavy gauge steel, these hoods are identically reproduced to the original quality standards for that authentic fit and finish. Each hood features all the correct factory mounting holes for hood hinges, hood latch, and hood insulation. In addition, every hood is finished with electro deposit primer, also known as EDP coating. EDP coating protects against rust and corrosion, so you have ample time to sand and paint your hood without worrying about potential rust. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.